taon. No? Tatlong kalahating taon. Bali, 2.5. Kasi yung 1 year ay mait yun. Yes! Nakaraos na! Ihatid ko na po ito sa school. Tapos, ayun na, kukuha na ako ng toga. Ayan, eto na yung coffee ako. Meron na akong coffee isa. And kukuha na ako ng toga. Ayan na. Okay na ang aking toga. Tunay na to. Wala na talagang atrasan. Bagay sa akin. Bagay ang pang-masters. Baka hindi na lumabas yung kamay ko. Tapos nakasulog ko.
Ano, bidibero?
Diba? With matching ulo. Try ko po kasi nga baka mamaya maliit. Oh. Yes. Ang ganda. Ganda yung napili ko. Okay na, malapit na po talaga. Ilang araw na lang. Tunay na to. Aakyat ko ng stage. Yes. Hi guys! Ayan, today is the day! Ayan, eto na po at ako ay talagang tunay na nag-graduate. Ayan, kasama ko si Daddy D. Maaga kami kasi 7 pa lang pasado kasi doon kami papasok sa, doon ako gagayak sa apartment. Ayan, samahan niyo po kami. Isa tayo. So, ayan, vlog takeover tayo. Nandun na sila Ate James sa labas. So, bawal naman na kami doon. Dito na yung mga family sa loob. Nag-request pa sila natin. Lapit na yung vlog daw. Ayun na. Ayun lang. Ganda yung pasto namin. Nasa harapan kami. Ang huling punta ko dito, yung graduation pa ni Sangko. At saka ni Apero.
Pati daw si Tatang.
Oo. Doon kami noon. Tapos, nakita namin sila Ate Rox doon. Sabi, ayan yung ano ni Sangko. Yung ano. Yung time na yun.
Kaya ako taon-taon talaga. Simula daycare si Willet.
Recognition yung iba na yun na yun. Recognition. Yung kay Otek mo, hindi naman nakaano eh. Kasi, yun yung, hindi na yung graduation ni Otek dito nung kailan. Yun yung day before ng graduation namin. Siyempre, ako, grade 6 teacher ako. So, hindi ako naka-attend. Sabi namin nun, magtatarpulin pa kami. Sigaw-sigaw kami.
its merits. It is with deep humility and great honor that I stand before you today to warmly welcome you to the 63rd commencement exercises of Divine Word College of San Jose.
Master of Arts in Education, major in Administration and Supervision, please rise. Ladies and gentlemen, it is our pleasure to introduce the candidates for graduation from the Graduate School Department who have successfully published their thesis in the International Journal of Research Studies in Education. Master of Arts, thesis title, Parental Influence on Early Learners' Home-Based Reading Activities and Reading Performance in Monteclaro, San Jose, Occidental, Mindoro. Fajardo Regine L., Teacher 6 at San Jose National High School. Thesis title, Retention Factors of Grade 10 Learners in Alaling Panlipunan at San Jose National High School. Untalan Mary Grace N., Teacher 3 at San Jose National High School. Thesis title, Special Needs Education and its Challenges to San Jose East District High School Teachers. Offer them your food.
Kasi agent din siya.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a warm round of applause. Congratulations! Graduate School candidates for the Master of Arts in Education, major in Science Education, and the Master of Arts in Business Administration, please rise. Ladies and gentlemen, it is our pleasure to introduce the candidates for graduation from the Graduate School Department who have successfully published their thesis and feasibility studies in the International Journal of Research Studies in Educational Technology and in Management. Master of Arts in Education, major in Science Education. Marimor G., College Instructor 1 at Occidental Mindoro State College. This is titled Science-Based Instructions and the Critical Thinking Skills of Criminology Students at Occidental Mindoro State College. Danes Joseph P., Teacher 6 at Magsaysay National High School. This is titled Effectiveness of Strategic Intervention Materials in Improving Grade 7 High School.
Nagtinatawanan si Otep kasi ang pangalan ng isang gumraduate ay Danes Joseph G. Sabi niya
Alas ka parang halan niya na
Dean yun eh. Pag pinasa mo parang Dean pero Danes. Ayan na sila. Dean na. Nandun na sila nakatayo na.
Teacher and Science Coordinator at Mother Caterina School. This is titled Teaching Strategies, STEM Students' Attitude, and Head of the Admission and Registration
Kayak
Office,
din ay, no?
Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Sablayan Branch. This is titled Social and the Role of Fishermen in Community Development in San Jose, Occidental, Mindoro. De Josephine G., Professional Lecturer at Occidental Mindoro State College. This is titled Financial Literacy and Sustainable Development of Micro-Entrepreneurs in San Jose, Occidental, Mindoro. Galang Lane Hagery, Mindoro.
Ayan
Farmers. Master in Business Administration. Valeroso Aisa, candidates, to show your appreciation for all the love, encouragement, and support of their loved ones, you may now offer them your food.
Okay. Hindi niya pa raw support. Oo, kasi tawagin na sa akin. Kasi maganda rin yun.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a warm round of applause. Congratulations! For all the love, encouragement, and support of their loved ones, you may now offer them your food.
Kasi nung na-graduation niya,
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a warm round of applause. Congratulations!
Matapang. Ayan, asin yan.
Hindi sila may matatapang sila. Tayo lang.
Ayaw magdalawa. Oh, si Jeng doon. Umiyak eh.
Thank you, Daddy. So, na-capture natin yung mga moment. Nakaiyak din. Sa sunod nga, mag-aaral din ako.
To a journey defined by perseverance, discipline, and unwavering commitment. To our candidates, your path has not been without trials, yet you have met its challenge with courage and determination. But your achievement is not yours alone. It is shared with those who have stood beside you, your parents, families and loved ones, whose sacrifices, encouragement, and enduring support have made this moment possible. In solemn recognition of their significant role in your journey, we now invite you to honor them by allowing them to turn your academic food, a symbol of shared triumph and enduring gratitude.
Guests, esteemed faculty, advisors and staff, beloved families and friends, my fellow graduates, a pleasant day to all. Today marks the culmination of our academic journey and a moment of gratitude as we reflect on the formation we have received from Divine Word College of San Jose. Our years in this institution have been defined by perseverance, discipline, and growth. We have been shaped not only through knowledge and skills, but more importantly, through values that will guide us beyond these walls. May our lives continue to echo this promise that we were here and we stood for the word.
Reverend Father President, Father Felino P. Jimenez Jr. as Philippine. I have the honor to present to you the 37 candidates for graduation from the following graduate school programs. Master of Arts in Education, 4. Master of Arts in Education, Major in Administration and Supervision, 14. Master of Arts in Education, Major in Science Education, 7. Master in Business Administration with thesis, 8. Master in Business Administration, non-thesis, 4. I hereby certify that they have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of the graduate school curriculum as prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education. Father President, I respectfully request that they be officially declared graduates.
Reverend Father President, Dr. Felino Jimenez Jr., I have the honor to present to you the 181 candidates for graduation from the following college programs. Bachelor of Secondary Education, Major in Science, 34. Bachelor of Elementary Education, 22. Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, 51. Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Major in Financial Management, 18. Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, 33. And Bachelor of Science in Information Technology with specialization in Multimedia Systems, 23. Since all of them have satisfactorily complied with the requirements prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education, may I respectfully request, Father President, that they be declared graduates.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as President of Divine Word College of San Jose, by the Board of Trustees and the Commission on Higher Education, and upon the recommendation of the faculty and academic officials of the institution, I now declare you graduates of the class of 2026 with all the rights, honors, and privileges pertaining thereto. Congratulations.
We imagine ourselves in this very place, wearing our togas, walking across the stage, hearing our names called, and finally saying, "We did it." But now that we are here, I realize that this moment is more than a ceremony or a diploma. It is a testament to every sacrifice, every silent struggle, every whispered prayer, and every time we choose to continue, even when it would have been easier to stop.
Impossible moment that once
made us doubt ourselves. And now, finally, we stand here, stronger, wiser, and ready for whatever comes next. So let us walk into the future, not with fear of what comes next, but with confidence in what we have become. Congratulations, class of 2026. I am Tuesday Andrea M. Ramos, an accountancy student, someone who doesn't even know debit and credit, but a living testimony that God is alive. Someone who never doubted what God can do to her life, and you should hope too. Thank you, and once again, congratulations to all of us.
Honor graduates, cum laude, Tuesday Andrea M. Ramos, PSC. Cum laude, Alexandra Q. Trique, DSA. Fajardo Rivian L. Ontanan Mary Grace N. Master in Business Administration with thesis. Babino Princess Marjorie B. Baluyo Aerobit N. Josephine G. Adelaide Catherine C. Marianes O. Ramos Mary Jane S. Valdez Jonathan.
I, Mark J. De La Rosa. Being a graduate of a Catholic institution, the Divine Word College of Science, do hereby solemnly promise before all present the following. To live up to the principles and ideals of my alma, the Divine Word College of Science, to uphold and defend the rights of the Church,
Lord, I give glory shine. Yun. Hinihintay, hindi, ang hinihintay ko kanina yung pagka ano eh, yung pag-iyak eh.
Dati, pag nung tinitingnan ko, iyak na sa baba. Malapit na yung iyak na ako dyan. Pero nasa sa baba. Oo, hinihintay na tumendo. Baka ikaw iyak. Ako ng first batch yun.
Oh, yun nga, nakita.
Iyak kasi ako ng first batch. Wala ako eh, si tatay. Yung pangalawa, ayun.
Wala na.
Pero nung tinignan ko si Dante, tinignan ko si Daddy din, ayun, muntik na lang. Harap-harap pa naman ako. Taka na, bago ito mas tata. Taka na, nakatisip na. Asin. Asin ka na, Tan? May asin. Ay, hindi ka nag-almusal? Ay, asin chocolate. Wala kami pa.
Wala ma. Ayan, okay po kayo, kasama kayo sa vlog.
Thank you po!
Thank you po.
Salamat din po. Congrats po! Mga ano din, nanonood. Subscribers from Canada daw po.
Naka-dress pala eh.
Red talaga yan. Kasi nasa loob ng toga, hindi pakita. Or naging group na tayo, ay ano na yung group baga. Platter ito. Platter na tayo. So, ito lang ba na rice? Wow, kay Kuya Dante at kay Dada. Ay, sino mo na base na yan ang initial natin?
Ayan na, kakain na.
Una-muna ang ating baby back ribs.
Dalawa
Wala pa yung
ka.
mga chicken.
Papalaban ka dyan.
At mauna na rin ang baby.
Oh, na rin na. Ayan na eh. Meron na rin naman eh.
7 naman yan, tag-iisa naman tayo.
Tig-isa ko na tayo. Or ano lang, extra lang naman yung ano. Abo, sobrang laki nga. Ito sa akin,
Half lang.
half lang talaga.
10 pa naman yan.
Kaya man
Ito
yan
lang?
Dada.
10 ang BNN namin.
Nay ah, nangay mo na. Yan na, yan na.
Hindi kaya ng buong
Titira ko ng ano nga, titira ko ng iba. Kaya ang isa.
mag-start na rin tayo. Thank you Lord for this food.
At sa pagraos. Araos.
Tagal pa kami yung chicken. Mag-start na kasi kami.
Dalian nyo,
Start
bilisan
na
nyo.
kami. Gutom na kami.
No, may dumating na chicken.
Chicken manghang.
Ay, ito manghang ka.
Manghang yan, yung isa hindi.
Malalaki ang cut. Chicken eh.
Sit daw yung chicken.
Meron pa ditong ribs oh, malaki pa oh.